just because I nearly ripped my ear off my head.
That's the intro, I reckon.
Hey guys, it's Jarek here from MMT. Today we got Maddie here.
Hello.
If you guys have been following on the videos, I've been doing a neck series in treatments and exercise. So you would have seen I've done a couple of neck lines or techniques and followed up with some exercise with the bands or even on the floor. But today we've got a real life scenario. So Maddie, he has hurt his neck a few weeks ago. So it's been what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks from Whiplash?
Yeah, still not better.
Not better?
Yeah, Whiplashed it fully into water, and it's like the bones kind of bruised and everything around it's seized up. Haven't had proper treatment on it, so hopefully Jerry can help me out.
We'll get straight into it. Cool. Let's go.
All right.
So Maddie will just go facing down, on through here.
Okay.
So if you were to kind of point to me where you've been feeling the whiplash.
Yep. So very right of cervical, and then top of the shoulder
Into
blade.
that,
Corner area.
Okay. I like to start just that little bit of a flush through that bottom of the neck, base of the neck into the traps. Okay. Scoping it out here, and the first kind of stroke is to really just feel what's going on.
The introduction.
Yeah. And for Maddie here, like he's an athlete. He knows what he wants. So we can play different roles as practitioners. So most of the time, I would ask people, "What do you want out of this? Do you want me to play just the bodyworker?
What do
you
you
want
want?
to play a different role or multiple roles where I would become a personal trainer or look over his rehab?" Because most people who are athletes, they already might have a team around them. They might have a PT, strength coach, osteo, physio, chiro, and I'm just playing a small role in that team. And I'm happy to fit in wherever I can as long as I'm contributing to his journey. So with Matty, I know he knows his body. He's on top of his training. Just looking at his body, look at how ripped he is.
Hey, big up.
So he just needs that quality body work, because I know there's other experts like myself in other fields, so I respect that and give credit to their craft as well. So that gives me a chance to give the best quality work in the body work. Yeah,
there is that bit of respect, hey, when you treat like another athlete. You're like, I understand, and I want to get them to as if it was you, right? Like you want to make sure you know what it's like when you can't train. It's kind of a bit demoralizing.
Yeah, absolutely. Like it's all about performance with athletes. If it's going to increase their performance or help their performance, they're all in it for it.
Heck yeah. This is good, man. I'm feeling those referrals.
Yeah. Are you been getting some referrals?
Yeah, it's been going into my hands, aching in my arms, and like I can't. It hurts to lay down to sleep, and if I was to sit down on a couch, like if I don't move, then it just seizes up. But as long as I'm walking around, it's kind of okay. Yeah. I can't head check when I'm driving though.
Yeah. Okay. You kind of got that. You got to turn your whole shoulders to look one way.
Yeah, the classic. It's not as bad as it was last year when I initially hit my neck, but just that slight like turning left right. It's like, oh my god, can't do it.
I saw that. Is that what it was?
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, the rope swing. I just made it. I was meant to do it more than once, but I did the one. I'm like, oh okay. That hurt.
You did the flip, yeah?
Yeah, I went for a gainer, and the water was, I don't know, it wasn't as close as it was last time I was at that rope swing. So when I did the swing, the flip, I'm like, oh, this is definitely different. Because I kind of realized once I was on top of the water with the rope, oh my god. And then since then I've been trying to rock climb. It's like, oh yep, I'm feeling it. It feels painful.
Yeah, it feels tight. Yeah.
Shit.
I want to give Matty a real treatment, but just speed it up just for the video. But obviously hitting all the spots where I know that it will be built up. It's so common. Like Matty experienced the whiplash, and it happens It also happens in the combat scene, like people getting punched, obviously in the head. That's why it's so important having that neck strength. It actually protects you from whipping your head back or your neck back.
The stuff that we did in the other video.
Yeah, correct. So that's why you see a lot of combat athletes, they do a lot of neck work because it obviously helps them to not suffer from any concussions if they get knocked down. So here I'm going to use a flat fist because I feel like a lot of it is in this top region of the trap.
Crazy.
So I'm going to hook in right in the corner there. Downward pressure.
Frick.
Matty says it's a neck issue, but it's affecting his shoulder blade thoracic area. So I just want to release this first, and then we'll focus on a lot on that neck. I'm using my other hand just to help reinforce it, just like that.
Freak. Have you had neck injuries?
Have I had neck injuries?
Yeah.
I've definitely had neck injuries.
you're like every week.
Again, I'm a wrestler, so you don't come through a lot of wrestlers that don't have any neck issues. So just because of the nature of our sport, we're always grabbing each other's necks on a move called the collar tie. You need your neck to be strong when it's on the mat. So I actually have to build up that neck strength, but also maintain it through treatment, like stuff from the traps, even the shoulders, the neck, obviously, it all helps getting treatment on it.
How's that ear?
The ears are looking good. The ears are looking good.
Ears attached.
The ears attached. It's my first time on Monday that I didn't wear the ear guards for over maybe 10 months.
Oh, wow, yeah.
So I've been wearing it for a while.
Because you had a big
Just because I nearly ripped my ear off my head.
That's the intro, I reckon.
I can only hear from one side. No, I needed to have two ears.
Oof, that's wild.
Picasso.
Yeah.
Van Gogh.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
What did he do? Did he chop chopped it off? Yeah.
That's commitment. Yeah.
Tell her that she can. I can listen.
Oh, chop.
Jesus.
Chop a video. Get that little clip in there, Leo.
Crikey.
Matty, how we going? All right.
Yeah, it's definitely really
it's
seized
thorough,
up there.
So I'm gonna hit a bit more kind of specific areas where I feel it. So here,
Oh shit.
this goes from the top of that shoulder blade and it will feed into this neck.
Oh yeah.
So I like to pin this like that. Sink in here. Sometimes I'm using my body weight also to reinforce. So I feel like I'm very close to that knot. I have to go real slow here.
Being efficient.
Yeah. It's getting a bit dark, bro. Yeah, sure. So there. That's better. Yeah.
Working with the toner.
Yeah, I'm working with the fiber of the muscle where it's kind of guiding me.
Yeah, it's got into the head.
Because especially with forward head posture, as soon as that neck protrudes forward, it puts tension on this upper thoracic, lower cervical area. Since the neck is connected to the thoracic, it holds that pressure. It's like if I were to hold a weight just in front of me, that deltoid would obviously create some tension to secure that joint.
Man, my head's gone nuts.
Yeah.
Crikey Moses.
Now I'm working close to that spinous process where he feels like it gets jammed. You said it kind of feels close to the spine?
Yeah.
As I get up?
I feel like you just, like, even if you're kind of next to the bone as well, like, I feel like it's just nice because...
You said it almost felt bruised.
Yeah, that's all I can say. Like, my
that makes sense.
spine is just bruised.
Yeah.
When I went to the doctors last year for it, the guys was like, or the doctor was like, no numbness in your hands? No? You're probably all right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, okay, cool.
So I worked all the way up. It's hard to see with Matty's hair.
My mullet.
his nice mullet, but I'm pretty
thank
much
you.
at the base of his skull right there.
Fluffer.
Oh,
Yeah, there it is.
Thanks,
That's where
boss.
I am.
The wolf.
That's where I
The
am.
wool back.
Exposed.
team effort.
Black sheep.
Oh, oh,
No
gross.
dirty wool.
Mate.
Plenty of wool. Give me some, Matty.
Mate, you were growing it, then you just got your hair cut.
I know.
Could have done your mullet. You could grow a mullet.
I've got a good mullet.
Yeah. What's that called? A skullet?
Skullet.
I'll follow that all the base of the skull there.
Incredible.
And I felt like that was needed, so I might do another similar strip, just a bit more higher though, okay? So again, from here, pin that money spot. And I feel a little knot, and I like to just camp on it, work it a little bit, see if we can kind of bring some movement onto it. Yeah, a lot of people that experience, if it's been here for a while chronically, they just like the spots to be worked on. Very deep pressure, but sometimes it's good just to maneuver it. You just add a bit of blood in that area,
Yeah. Just
but
get some
also
movement.
just pushing it away like that. Yeah, so I guess my advice to someone like Maddie that's experienced some trauma and that stays quite active, you might need a few treatments to actually unlock the tissue that's bound up for a while, because being strong, like, things will compensate. His back will compensate, his back's very strong, and it will just add layers to that tension. So we need to really help uncover the overcompensation and the actual injury itself. Because most athletes, they don't like taking some time off. And I'm a victim to it as well. Like, don't like taking time off, so I just keep training on it, and it just keep push back.
Yeah, you gotta be smart about it, have a bit of intuition.
Yeah, you got to be tactical.
There'll be rock climbers at my gym when they do their fingers and then they're still climbing. They're like, oh, I just avoid crimps. You know, so like they'll do different style climbs. But bro, your finger's like busted.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, the rock climbing is a different ball game.
I just stubborn, but
So here,
Oh.
working right underneath again.
yeah, that was wild.
There.
Is that the fluffer? Who's
Yeah.
He's here.
It's me, don't worry.
Don't worry. Don't fret, young one.
Brett, young man.
Yeah, very nice. How we feeling, Matty?
Yeah, it's good. I feel like
Do you feel like I've missed any spots that you feel like your body is aware of?
Nah, I feel like you got around the shoulder blade next to the spine. I could sit up and then
Let's
we
test.
can
Let's
test
test.
it a bit.
Yeah. Sometimes I like to even ask the clients or whoever's on the table, because they know their body better than I do. So I get them to tune in, see how it feels after doing some treatment. First time seeing light.
Whoa,
Yeah.
I'm back, baby.
How are we feeling?
Oh yeah, I feel like I've got movement. I didn't really test it beforehand,
Yeah,
right? But
that's all right.
off camera, I was like feeling really rough.
Yeah. Does it feel like more on the side? Because sometimes the sides can also contribute, but I felt like a lot of the spots that we hit.
That's vulnerable.
Yeah. And it's normal after treatment, especially I've been, putting a deep pressure into it. It can feel a tiny bit vulnerable. It's just gonna be a bit easy on some of these movements.
Yeah, honestly, because my back's also injured. Another video. That just feels really heightened at the moment. Whereas the neck, I feel it's pretty good. I feel like I'll be able to drive safely now, which is good.
Yeah.
But that was amazing.
Yeah.
I'll sleep good tonight. So thank you.
Yeah, nice. Again, so yeah, some take-home advice is obviously either doing some self-massage, if you're using a lacrosse ball. You can use like the broomstick, the dowels, things like that. Even laying on a foam roller can also help. Heat packs light stretching, and check out some of those exercises I posted not too long ago. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Catch ya.